Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your script in Spyder and placing breakpoints where behavior matters. This stops execution so you can inspect state. Once done, switch the console to the IPython kernel and run the file with the Debug button or F5 in debug mode. This gives you control, step in, step over, or continue, and lets you observe variables live. Make sure to save changes before running so breakpoints match the latest code. Once execution pauses, you step into to dive into functions, step over to skip internals, and step out to finish the current call. These actions reveal how values change. Meanwhile, watch the variables and call stack panes to understand scope and flow, and use the breakpoints pane to enable or disable stops. You can type expressions directly in the debug console to test fixes without editing code. This rapid feedback explains why a value differs from expectation. To finish, remove unnecessary breakpoints and stop the debugger, then rerun the script normally to verify the fix. Make sure to add assertions or logging so you can catch regressions later. This makes debugging repeatable and faster. If the debugger behaves oddly, restart the IPython kernel, clear compiled files, and run a minimal example to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: inconsistent state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.